Hi everyone, in today's session we will learn about nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba, I hope most of you had heard it first time. What is amoeba? Let us know what you mean by amoeba first, okay? Amoeba is a microscopic organism. Microscopic organism means the organism which we are able to see under microscope, okay? That means we are not able to see amoeba through our naked eyes. It is only possible to see. I hope in lower classes you had seen the slides of amoeba. Do you remember you had seen the irregular shaped, very small amoeba under the microscope? Might be in class 6th or 5th. So amoeba is a single celled microorganism. Single cell means it is having only one cell. Single cell are also called as unicellular organisms. Okay, so microorganisms, they are microorganisms and they generally having, it can be unicellular or multicellular, but amoeba which we are talking about today is single celled microorganism, right? And it is found in ponds, pools and ditches. It constantly changes its shape by pushing out one or more projections. Okay, most of you, I know you are well aware what is slime. So just like jelly and the slime, it is having, it can take the shape, any shape, because most of you are playing with slime, I know nowadays. You know what is the shape. It can change its shape and you can mold it into any shape. So amoeba generally, it change its shapes, okay, and it change its shape by pushing out one or more finger-like projection, and these finger-like projection are called as pseudopodia. See student, here P is silent, so the correct pronunciation is pseudo. Okay, S-U-D-O, pseudopodia. Okay, P is silent over here. So pseudopodia are also called as false feet. Okay, false feet meant for locomotion and capturing of food. So the purpose of pseudopodia is to capture the food and for the movement. Now all the process of nutrition are performed by the single cell of amoeba. It is having only a single cell, very minute, but still the digestion process, the complete digestion process which we had learnt earlier in case of humans, okay, and then ruminants also. Now we are learning the same thing, the same digestive process in amoeba, but in this case the thing which is very important in case of amoeba is pseudopodia, and the entire digestion, it takes place with the help of only a single cell. Okay, now look at the picture of amoeba. Are you able to see the outer lining of amoeba? It is called as cell membrane. Okay, you are able to see a nucleus, okay, and then a vacuole is a cavity, empty space. Okay, now look at the top of the picture. You are able to see finger like projection, and these finger like projection is pseudopodia. It can be it can generate these pseudopodia from anywhere, okay, from any corner. It can like if the food is near to the bottom of the bottom of the amoeba, then it can generate pseudopodia over there only. So let us now learn in detail how the nutrition step of nutrition take place inside the amoeba. So the first step, as we all know, look at this picture. I hope it will be more clear to you. Now look at the picture number 1 only. First, A, ingestion. Ingestion means taking the food inside. So amoeba eat tiny microscopic plants and animal as food, which float in the water in which it live. When an amoeba encounters a suitable organism, right, so it push out automatically two pseudopodia around the organism, and gradually the tips of the pseudopodia, they join, they fuse with each other, and then it make a vacuole or an empty space, a cavity around the food, which we called as, look at the second picture, which we called as the food vacuole. Now the brown color food is inside the amoeba, and where it is present? It is present inside the food vacuole. And then the second process, that is the process of digestion take place, right? So the enzymes, or we can say that the digestive juices from the surrounding enters inside the food vacuole, and then they break down the food into simple form, okay, soluble substance. And then look at the third diagram number C, that is absorption. So what happened? The digested food present in the food vacuole is absorbed directly into the liquid which is all around, okay, and then the assimilation take place. And you all know assimilation is the utilization of the food which get absorbed, okay, use up of that food. The digested food absorbed by the surrounding is stored or utilized for its growth, development, multiplication and release of energy as well. Now look at the last picture, egestion. Are you able to see the undigested food is thrown out from a particular, the cell membrane, it breaks down from a particular place, and the undigested food is thrown out of the body of the amoeba. So this is how the entire process of nutrition take place in a very small organism, microorganism, which we call amoeba. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. Thank you so much.